Hello everyone, thanks for joining us for another video. So I was just sitting here stamping and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna stick my camera on and record what I'm doing, make a bit of a video out of it. So thanks for joining us. I'm just using some of the Magician, the Born Pretty Magician top coat, because I'm trying to see the difference between, that way, between the chrome powder and the gel. Just using the coloured gel. So I'm just doing one nail with the chrome powder and one nail with the sort of mixy matchy, if that makes any sense. So I'm just going to stick that in the light to cure it. So then for this one I'm going to use a gold design. So I think I'm going to go for I'm going to bring the star down with a few of these beads, I think. So I'm just going to stick them on there like that. Give it a quick swidge over. Make sure my stem is clean. And then just give it a quick roll. So that picks up, look at the transfer and that. It's brilliant. I'm just going to take off these extras because I don't want, what do I want? I want a star. I'll see if I can get some of that bauble on. So the plan is to do these nails with the Born Pretty stamp polish and then do a matching nail using the chrome. So that is the nail with the stamp and polish. So the plate's fine, my stamp is working fine. So let's see if I can get this cleaned up, because I'll have to use it for me Magician. Just give that a chance to dry. So now I'm going to bring this one back. Now this was the one that I was going to do in the red chrome. So Magician, you stamp it on clear. Sometimes it'll be really difficult to see. Pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds and then you just rub. I have matte coated these nails, hopefully to stop any extra adhesion of chrome powder. It's great on fine lines this, but I'm finding when I'm trying to use bigger, longer images, it's just not where I want it to be. Anyway, so now I'm going to try and do it again. So we want to do the star, the bauble, and a bit of the chain. Okay, another here. Right, so give this a good scrape. Get any extra off. Give me a stamp, roll over that image, and right, I'm happy with that. I'm going to leave, I might leave that. I've got the words do not on there, I don't want them. I think I'll leave that snowflake just in case it'll fit on the nail. You can't really see that there, but I'm going to pop it on here, cure it in the lamp, and then I will show you. Actually, I'm going to put that star halfway across there like that, and then I can fit the snowflake on and the bauble. Right, so they're on. Oh, can you see? You can just see a shimmer. So I'll pop that in the lamp. See what happens with that one. So right, so this one, it's also got the matte coating on. I was going to do green, but I don't think the green will show up very well on the red, so I might do a gold on the, let's try doing a gold background. So I'll try doing a gold tree on there, and then I might put the, that'll give us a base, and then I might be able to put me thing on top. I know what I'm thinking. Right, so I've got the gold tree. Like that. And put that tree on there. Like so. Now, I'm going to just take that gold and just fill in a bit more of that design. Just like that, and then what I'm going to do is use the try using this on the tree. Give it a scrape over, pick it up. Right, now I'm going to transfer that onto the gold image as best I can. Okay. Cure that one in the lamp. 60 seconds while we do this one. So this one was going to be the gold. So I'll put this chrome. So this should only, because I've put a base coat on, well actually I haven't, I've used a matte, a no white matte top coat of Born Pretties. A functional gel it says it is, but it's just a matte top coat. I put that on the nail first, and then it stops, it's supposed to be chrome like resistant. So there you can see it's only stuck to the parts that had the gel. Now I don't think that is as clear as that is today. I think it depends what you're doing, but they're both still nice. Just need, it shows up in the light more, I think, as you turn it. Once we go top coat on them, actually that's what I'll do now. So I'm going to use a top coat. I wasn't going to bother top coating them, but they will show the chrome up better just to show you. What they look like when they're finished. Obviously it's not a set of nails as such. I wouldn't wear them at this point. It was just practice. I like to practice me stamping. You learn new tricks and things you can pass on to others, or you see something and want to try it out. So that's basically what we're sitting down tonight. But right, so then a quick top coat, pop them in there. Now this one I'm going to use the green. I'm just going to hope that if I rub it over the grey, over the gold, it's picked up that image. Just give it a quick brush off. Yeah, so you can see the tree on the red. So it did work by putting the gold behind. Now for the top of this, I think I'm going to add some gold. Just use some. I think I'll stick this big icicle on the top of here. Probably shouldn't be gold, but there you go. And give it a quick wipe. I'm just going to transfer part of that onto there. Oh, actually, I might put that star up there on top of the tree. Looks like it was always there. Yeah, that worked out quite well. So I'm going to just take these ones out. I'll put this one in the lamp just so you can see it. Oh, actually, I'm going to give it a quick top coat. So when you're stamping, your gel, your chrome and your everything's still a little bit tacky and movable. So you just want to gently float your brush over so you don't disturb your printing. Right, so that, I'm just going to pop that in. The light. Pop the lid on this because you can guarantee that I'll spill it everywhere. Now, I'll show you these nails. So this is the magician top. So as you can see, it picks up really thin lines. It's not so good on a really long design. I think the paint was better, the Born Pretty nail stamp and polish. Again, the chrome looks really good. It looks like it's etched onto the nail there. I don't know if you can see really. Let's see if I can turn my light down a little bit. No, it's not really doing much, is it? So that one was the polish, the gold polish, which has a brilliant transfer. And then that one looks more of it etched, which is quite nice still. And then this one here that I've just done, so that was the tree with the star on. So yeah, just messing about, practicing. If you don't practice, you know they say practice makes perfect, or practice makes something anyway. But that's it for today. I'm just gonna continue experimenting and I'll get you back for another video another time. But thanks for watching. Bye.